Hi guys, to receive this Dusk down outdoor wall sconce for reference purposes, and I think they're really nice because, well, you can place them like this vertically or horizontally like this, which is really nice to have that option. It's a set of two, as you can see. They come very well protected and they're really nice. They have this really nice dark brown finish, which is really great. You can get them on this dark brown finish or a black one, but I got this ones and they're really nice. I like a lot how they look. In here we've got the sensor. They will turn on automatically and turn off automatically depending of the daylight. Okay. You only got the instructions with all the parts you need to assemble it, which are really nice to have. Okay. Let's see. These are the instruction manuals. Okay, so let's go ahead and install them. I will be placing them on the both sides of my door, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, they've already installed and they look really nice. As you've seen, they're really easy to install, just a quick wiring and that's all. They have these bulbs that are a warm white, which are really nice. They work perfectly and I would recommend them. See ya!
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.